Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if your games are crashing or freezing after installing Windows 11 24H2, then just to let you know that you are not alone. And just to mention another official known issue now that Microsoft has acknowledged and confirmed over on their Known Issues Health dashboard page. And it seems that every day I am posting a video on something that has gone bang in the night after or trying to install Windows 11 24H2. Now, Microsoft has said that after installing version 24H2, you might encounter issues with some Ubisoft games. They say that these games might become unresponsive while starting, loading, or during active gameplay. In some cases, users might receive a black screen. Now, they give us a list of affected games. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First game is Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Assassin's Creed Origins, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Star Wars Outlaws, and Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. So those are the games by Ubisoft that are affected according to Microsoft. Now, just something to take note of on a side note. Microsoft does say that Ubisoft released a temporary mitigation for Star Wars Outlaws to prevent the game from failing and stop responding. But Microsoft does mention you might still experience some performance issues though, so not solved, but obviously the game stops responding, but you might have some performance issues. Now, as always, to safeguard your Windows update, Microsoft said they have applied a compatibility hold on devices with these games installed. So if you are running Windows 11 23H2 and you're not seeing Windows 11 24H2 being offered to you on the Windows Update page as a feature update, this could be a reason why. These devices, Microsoft says, will not be offered to install Windows 11 version 24H2 via the Windows Update release channel. And obviously, I also don't recommend trying to force the update because I did that for the purpose of this channel and I've got blue screen issues with audio and my screen recorder. So rather wait for the update to become available on your Windows Update page, because that means then those issues would have been sorted out behind the scenes. Now, Microsoft does say this, that if your game stops responding, this is a workaround. If your game stops responding to your commands and you cannot exit the game as usual, you can use Task Manager to close the app. So obviously, if your game stops responding, the best would be to use Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard, which will launch the Task Manager. And then in the Task Manager window, you would look for your game in the Process tab. Now, I obviously am not playing a game, but you get the idea. It might be listed under the name of the game or the game launcher. So you'd find that. And then if you find the game, I'm just using any process as an example. What you would do then is you would just click on End Task, and that would then close the game and should stop things from crashing and freezing. So that's a temporary workaround. And Microsoft says the next steps are that Ubisoft and Microsoft are working on a resolution and will provide more information when it is available. So there we go. If your games are crashing or freezing after installing 24H2, that's the reason why. And if you are still on 23H2 trying to upgrade, that's also a reason why you may not be able to upgrade, because there's a safeguard hold if you have those games installed, which we have talked about in this video. And obviously, when this issue sorts itself out, obviously I'll try and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.